Hey everybody, what's going on? This is Living with Perks, and in this video we're going to be unboxing and reviewing a new PC keyboard. What we have to show to you guys today is the keyboard by Royal Kludge. This is RK Gaming. The model we're showing you today is the C87 magnetic mechanical keyboard. This is a full-fledged gaming keyboard. I believe it's all LED lit. I'm going to take a look at what's inside, see what you get, and we'll identify the different modes that it contains. So let's move forward with the unboxing. Has a hard plastic shell on top to make sure all the keys are safe and intact. I'm going to pull out the instruction manual here. Pretty nice sized book, a variety of different languages in here. It looks like you are going to be connecting this with the USB-C cable, which I'll be showing you shortly. It does indicate that you can change the backlight brightness and different features with the keystrokes and combinations, but I believe you can actually use software on your PC to customize this as well. And if that is the case, I'm going to show you toward the end of this video. Well, let's move forward with taking a look at the keyboard. We have this in a solid black with white keys and gray accent keys here. Arrow keys all in black, spacebar, enter, and escape are in black. Overall, it pops. Like, as far as it being a monochrome colored keyboard, looks really nice. Everything is printed on there very well, very visible, eligible to read. On the back here, we do have the lifts to make it sit up a little bit higher. We'll have that in place, and the USB cable input is underneath, so it's a little bit more hidden and discreet. You're going to bring your cable all the way through the back, and that's how we will get that connected. You can also go from the sides here. You can see that indented all the way through. Let's look at the accessories you get within the package. We have some replacement modules here for your keys. It is a mechanical keyboard, so you can swap those out. We have the USB-C cable and the tool to replace your keys. I don't see any indication of this being a wireless capable keyboard, so we're going to be just plugging this in with the USB-C, get it connected to the computer, and we'll try it out, take a look at the different LED features it supplies, and see if there's software available. Let's take a look. I have the keyboard connected. It is detected right away and fully lit up with the LED effect. So far, it looks good. Everything is pretty visible. As far as changing the lighting on it, you can hold the function key and hit the arrow to coordinate the brightness and the effects. Different speed options left and right. But what I want to do here is actually see if there is software available to customize this a little bit better than toggling through the key options. So one cool thing about this keyboard is it does have a website you can go to and automatically pair your keyboard to the site itself to customize. No software installations needed. You just go to this website, drive2.rkgaming.com, connect your keyboard, and you are set to go for customizing it. We can look at the dynamic mode and go through a couple of the options here. These are just the different strobing effects and all of that good stuff. So you can customize it that way. You can change the brightness of it and the speed. And then if you want a static look to it, just a solid color, you can toggle through a couple of these different options. Now the cool thing I like to do with my LED based keyboards is customize them to have different lighting effects for specific keys. As far as this goes, I mean, put this to what makes sense to you, but I like to highlight my WASD keys to be a certain color. Sometimes my space and enter, these can be their own exclusive colors. Keys 1 through 0 will make this blue. It just makes them pop a little bit better, and you can actually signify what key does what. I mean, looking at the WASD key here, these have a little red hue around them, letting me know those are going to be my movement keys in a lot of different video games that I play. So yeah, as far as this goes, I mean, you set the settings to how you want them, and all you have to do is close your browser afterward, and the settings do remain intact. So hopefully you guys liked the video. If you do want to pick up one of these keyboards for yourself, take a look at the link in the description below. I will have it posted there. And if you guys like the video, hit that like button, subscribe to Living with Perks, and we'll catch you next time. Peace.